Have you ever wondered what goes into making that delicious sausage you enjoy? This video will take you through the fascinating process, step by step. Sausage making is a culinary art that combines meat, fat, spices, and expertise. It's a method of preservation and flavor creation that dates back centuries. Sausage is essentially ground meat mixed with seasonings, often packed into a casing. It originated as a way to preserve meat and has evolved into countless regional specialties. The process can be broken down into 4 main stages: preparing the meat, seasoning and mixing, stuffing the casings, and finally, cooking or curing. The first step is selecting and preparing the meat, which forms the base of the sausage. High-quality meat is essential for a great final product. Sausages can be made from various meats, such as pork, beef, chicken, or a combination. The meat is carefully selected and trimmed to achieve the desired fat-to-lean ratio. The meat is then cut into smaller, manageable chunks. This helps the meat grinder work efficiently and ensures a consistent grind. Once the meat is prepared, it's time to add flavor. This is where the characteristic taste of the sausage is developed. Salt is crucial for both flavor and preservation. Curing agents like nitrates are added for certain types of sausages, along with a unique blend of spices and herbs. The seasoned meat is then fed through a meat grinder. The choice of grinding plate determines the texture, ranging from a coarse, chunky grind to a fine, smooth one. After grinding, all ingredients are thoroughly mixed, often mechanically. This step is vital to evenly distribute the seasonings and ensure the proteins bind together for the correct texture. The next stage is to encase the seasoned meat mixture, giving the sausage its familiar shape. Sausage casings can be natural, made from animal intestines, or synthetic. They need to be properly prepped, often by soaking before use. A sausage stuffer is used to carefully push the meat mixture into the casing. This must be done evenly, avoiding air pockets while not overpacking. Finally, the long stuffed casing is twisted or tied at regular intervals to create the individual sausage links. The final stage depends entirely on the type of sausage being made, determining if it needs to be cooked immediately or preserved through curing. Fresh sausages are ready to be cooked, whether grilled, pan-fried, poached, or baked. Many are also smoked to add flavor and extend shelf life. For dry or semi-dry sausages, a curing and aging process takes place over weeks or months, allowing them to develop complex flavors and a firm texture. From raw ingredients to the final delicious link, sausage making is a journey of precision and flavor. Remember, the best sausages come from using quality ingredients and mastering the techniques of trimming, seasoning, and stuffing. Now that you know how it's made, it's time to savor the delicious result of this age-old culinary tradition. Enjoy your sausage. Thanks for watching.